Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off messenger delivered tick mark on messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your messenger app on your phone. Once you have done, the first thing you're gonna do, tap on this three dot icon on top left, tap on the option of settings icon, and go ahead, tap on this active status and turn this off first, so you won't be shown as an active person. Now go ahead, tap on done, and let's go back and choose a user. For, let's say this is the person, tap on that person's username. Now scroll down and tap on this option of read receipt and tap turn this off. Now you're good to go. Those things will prevent for them to know that whether you have checked out their message or not, and they won't even know whether you're active or not as well. So that is a way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.